Hello guys! Try natin sagutan itong ating CSE review for today. So our review for today is all about abstract reasoning. So sa abstract reasoning, we analyze the given figure and then analyzing that figure, makakapag-come up tayo sa certain pattern and using that pattern, makakahanap tayo ng figure na kukumpleto sa ating series. Okay? So let's start. Which figure completes the series? So we have here 8 figures. So analyze natin sila isa at isa. Okay? So first, as you can see, this part, and also this part, iisa lang sila. So, ibig sabihin, constant sila dito sa ating figure na shaded lang yung part na yan. Okay? And ang mapapansin nating nag-iba dyan is etong part na to. Okay? So, from this first figure natin, pagpunta sa ating next figure, andito na yung may shaded na dalawang box. Humiga na siya. And then, dito sa ating third one, nag-slant na uli siya. So, ibig sabihin, yung shaded natin na boxes is umiikot pa counterclockwise. Pwede nyo siyang isipin as orasan. Okay? Yung pag-ikot niya. So, from here, na slanted, umiikot pa higa, and then nag-slant ulit. Pero that rotation is counterclockwise. Okay? So, check natin yung next figures natin, okay? So, dito sa figures ulit natin, constant ulit itong tatlo. So, pare-parehas to na may shade lang yung gitnang boxes, okay? And then, ang pinagkaiba lang uli nila is the rotation nung mga may shaded. Okay? So, here, mapapansin nyo, etong third is the same as this fourth box. Okay? So, ayun, isang pattern din yun. Okay? And then, from that one, umikot uli siya pa counterclockwise. So, from that, humiga uli siyang pa ganito. So, counterclockwise uli yung direction ng mga shaded box natin. Okay? And this one is the same as this one. Ito yung higa niya. And at the same time, this one, hindi uli nagbabago. Okay? So, by that, so, kung meron tayo dito nakahigang shaded na boxes, yung orientation, nag-slant uli siya, dahil lang ikot niya is counterclockwise. So, dito sa inahanap natin, okay, lagay tayo dito ng visual representation. So, kung nakapaganito, yung ating may shaded dito, dapat sa ating next box, or sa ating figure na hinahanap, nakapaganito yung orientation niya. Na, yung gitna, dapat nagre-retain na may shade. Okay? So, analyze natin tong choices natin kung saan dyan yung pinaka-akmang sagot. Okay? So, first, itong letter A natin. So, tama siya na merong ganito. Okay? Yung gitna, may shade siya. Ang problema lang, nakapahiga yung isa pa niyang shaded part. So, hindi na agad tong letter A. Okay? And yung letter B naman natin, shaded tong vertical part natin. So, nag-agree siya sa hinahanap nating figure na kukomplete sa series natin. And also, itong part na to is the same as sa hinahanap natin dito sa figure natin. Kailangan slanted to the left. Kumbaga, naka-diagonal siya. Okay, yun yung tawag natin dyan. And then, itong C naman, so tama itong nakagitna, pero ito, iba yung orientation niya. So, hindi na yung C natin. And then, sa D naman, mapapansin nyo, ito ay walang shade. Nasa patay yung part. So, hindi na siya yung hinahanap natin. So, by that, hindi na rin yung D. And we are left with letter B. So, letter B yung pinaka-akmang sagot natin. Okay? So, for our next figure, kindly comment down your answer sa ating chat box. And let's see if naintindihan nyo yung ating review for today. And that's it for our review for today. I hope may natutunan kayo and maraming salamat sa panonood.